So if you do live in a dry area, you're probably gonna wanna get like one of these electric static bands. However, I find them pretty annoying to use, so I'm not gonna use that right now. You're gonna wanna place it on the actual motherboard box. Now this right here, this is the CPU clip. We're gonna put our CPU in, put our RAM in, and you're gonna put our NVMe in the motherboard. When you get scared of this kind of stuff, most of us get scared because everything is just so expensive. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna look for the triangle on your actual motherboard. The CPU right here also has a triangle. So it shows you here the CPU thing, and then it also shows you that there's two little dots for your CPU at the top here, and then right here is going to be the actual arrow. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it this way because that's what the motherboard is showing us, is it flipping out that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in, and it should drop right in, that it's lined up. I am gonna go ahead. So the liquid cooler, which we are going to install, depending on how much RAM you actually get and the type of RAM you actually get, there's usually two dark ones and then two lighter ones. And maybe I'm just like, I need more light over here.